Have you ever wondered why some homes look incredibly expensive the second you walk in, even with simple furniture? It isn't because of a massive renovation budget or a $10,000 designer sofa. The real secret is the exact paint colors on the walls. The problem is that most people choose basic white or gray because it feels safe. But expensive-looking homes use warmer neutrals and deeper colors that make even simple furniture look more high-end. To help you avoid an expensive paint mistake, I spent weeks going through the official 2026 color forecasts from major paint brands. Out of hundreds of shades, I narrowed it down to the 9 best paint colors for creating a home that looks timeless and more expensive. Keep watching, because I'm going room by room to show you exactly where each color works best. At number 9, we're starting in a room most people completely overlook, the entryway. Because it's usually small, almost everyone paints it white, hoping it will feel bigger. But designers often do the exact opposite. They paint it dark. Benjamin Moore Newburyport Blue is a deep navy softened with gray, so it feels classic rather than bright or coastal. And here's the designer trick. Expensive homes create moments. They don't make every small space disappear. A dark entry makes you pause the second you walk through the door. That strong first impression makes the rest of the home feel more special. One thing you can add to make the entry feel more luxurious is a large brass-framed mirror. It warms up the blue and reflects light. Use a warm bulb here, not a cold LED. Cold light can flatten the blue, while warm light brings back its depth. At number 8, we're heading into the bedroom, and the cold gray bedroom has had its moment. Its warmer replacement is Benjamin Moore Sherwood Tan. And don't let the word tan fool you. This isn't flat rental beige. It has warm brown and soft mushroom tones that become richer as the light changes, especially in the evening. Here's the designer trick. Expensive bedrooms don't feel bright and empty. They feel warm and wrapped. Sherwood Tan softens the entire room and gives you that quiet, comfortable feeling you often notice in a beautiful hotel bedroom. Make sure you use an oversized upholstered headboard in ivory or warm linen. It softens the tan and gives the bedroom that high-end hotel look. And avoid sharp white trim here. A warmer ivory will blend with the walls and make the whole bedroom feel more complete. Number 7 is Behr Hidden Gem, the brand's 2026 color of the year, that looks beautifully in the bathroom. Behr calls it a smoky jade, and that word smoky is exactly what makes it feel more expensive. For the last few years, sage green has been everywhere. Hidden Gem feels like the more grown-up version. It has more depth, with soft blue and gray undertones that make it feel richer. Here's the designer trick. Expensive bathrooms don't always look brand new. They often use colors and finishes that feel as though they've aged beautifully. Hidden Gem gives you that feeling. It makes a basic bathroom feel richer and more like a private hotel spa. Use honed marble with this color. It keeps the bathroom bright and makes the green look much more luxurious. Number 6 may be the color that makes you hesitate. It's yellow. And we know what happened the last time yellow kitchens were popular: sunflower decor, heavy country styling, and far too much yellow. But Sherwin-Williams Lemon Chiffon is completely different. It's more cream than yellow, with just enough warmth to look like soft morning sunlight. This color looks much more expensive with fluted oak and honed marble or quartzite. Finish it with textured Zelig tile and natural cane or rush seating. Then add a little olive green to ground the yellow and keep the kitchen from feeling too sweet. Just test it beside your countertop first. In strong sunlight, it can become more yellow than you expect, so make sure it still looks soft and creamy at midday. Number 5 takes us outside, with Sherwin-Williams Greenblack, because your home starts making an impression long before anyone walks through the front door. You've probably seen the black house trend. Some look beautiful. Others can look so dark that you lose the details of the house. Greenblack fixes that. From the street, it looks almost black, but the green underneath helps it work with trees, hedges, and the shadows around the house. That small difference makes the exterior feel richer and much less severe, and that's the real reason it looks expensive. You notice the shape of the house first. the roofline, the windows, the porch, not just the paint color. Pair it with warm, natural cedar. The wood breaks up the darkness and gives the exterior the warmth it needs. Number 4 is for anyone working from home in front of a plain gray wall. Benjamin Moore Wange is a deep chocolate brown with black and subtle violet undertones. It has the rich, dramatic look of a color you might find in an old library or a private study. That sense of history is exactly why it can make a home office look more expensive. Pair it with warm walnut furniture, cream upholstery, and antique brass or aged bronze lighting. And if you have shelves or built-ins, paint them the same color as the walls. That's what makes the whole office feel custom. At number 3 is Sherwin-Williams Breathless, a soft, muted shade with dusty rose and subtle violet undertones. It works especially well in a hallway because it brings in color without becoming too strong for a space that connects several different rooms. Here's one thing I would do. Paint the walls and the trim in the same color. That removes all the white lines breaking up the space and gives the hallway a smoother, more expensive look. Pair it with a dark walnut console table, oversized black framed artwork, antique brass picture lights, and a cream runner. The darker wood and black accents give this soft color the contrast it needs. Number 2 is a white. And after everything I've said about Builder White, you may feel a little betrayed. But Swiss Coffee by Benjamin Moore is different. It has enough cream and warmth to keep it from looking cold or clinical. And that's why designers keep coming back to it. In an expensive living room, you notice the design first. The wall color stays in the background and makes everything else look better. Swiss Coffee does exactly that. It gives everything in the room a softer, richer background. Make sure you bring in a large wool or textured rug. This white needs texture around it, and the rug will stop the room from feeling plain or empty. Just be careful if most of your furniture is cool gray. Swiss Coffee is warm, so those two can sometimes look disconnected. And at number 1 is one of the biggest paint colors of 2026, Benjamin Moore Silhouette. It's a deep espresso brown with charcoal mixed in, giving the dining room a rich, dramatic background. But the paint color alone is not the secret. The real trick is to color drench the room. Paint the walls, trim, baseboards, and built-ins in silhouette, instead of breaking everything up with white. When the edges disappear, the room feels deeper and much more expensive. Pair silhouette with a walnut dining table and add brass or bronze accents. And make sure your chandelier is on a dimmer. Silhouette comes alive under soft evening light and can turn an ordinary dinner into something that feels much more special. And please make sure you subscribe for more videos and designer tips to help you create a home you love.